Good morning, families and friends. You see, our topic for this morning is carried by his strength. Exodus 28, 5-14. See, imagine wearing someone's name on your soldiers everywhere you go. In Exodus 28, God tells Moses to make a special garment for the high priest, the Ephod. On its soldiers, there were 2 onyx stones, and engraved on those stones were the names of the 12 tribes of Israel. That detail matters. See, in the Bible, soldiers represented strength and responsibility. God was teaching Israel something powerful. You are not carrying me, I am carrying you. According to Adventist theology, this points directly to Jesus Christ, our high priest in the heavenly sanctuary. Ellen White explains that the high priest bearing Israel's name symbolized Christ carrying his people before the Father, patriarchs and prophets. Notice the material of the ephod. Number 1 was gold, representing Christ's divinity. Number 2 was blue, obedience to God's law. Number 3 was purple, representing royalty. Number 4 was scarlet, representing sacrifice, and fine linen, which represents righteousness. This is the full gospel woven together. Here's the lesson. Salvation is not about how tightly we hold onto God. It's about how securely Christ holds on to us. Many Christians are exhausted because they're trying to carry themselves. But the sanctuary message reminds us that our names are not on our own soldiers. They are on his. So when you feel weak, remember this. You are not forgotten. You are not alone. You are carried by the strength of Christ. And that's not just theology, that's hope. God bless.